Our third story out front tonight, duped. He called himself the devil's advocate, the lawyer who took on notorious clients that no one else wanted, i.e. Saddam Hussein. But it turns out that Giovanni Di Stefano wasn't an attorney at all. And tonight, he's in prison for duping his clients and the world. Atika Shubert is out front with the story.
Are you a real-life pilot?
I sure am, little lady.
The jump seat is open.
It's been a while since I've done this. Which one's the jump seat again?
Just like Leonardo DiCaprio's character in the movie Catch Me If You Can, he was a world-class con artist. But Giovanni Di Stefano has a Rolodex that read like a who's who of the world's biggest villains. Osama bin Laden, Saddam Hussein, Slobodan Milosevic. And now it turns out he was fooling them all and making millions from his lies. Di Stefano worked as an attorney, taking on notorious and unwinnable cases. Starting in 2005, he defended Saddam Hussein.
Why not bring charges? The whole world is now beginning to have its doubts, not only on the legality of the war, but if the war was so legal, why not charge this man? Where are the charges?
He also worked with the legal team defending late Serbian President Slobodan Milosevic and bragged about his meetings with Osama bin Laden and Zimbabwean leader Robert Mugabe, meetings in which he would give legal advice. There was just one problem. Giovanni Di Stefano had no legal qualifications, and he was not registered to work as an attorney, either in Italy, where he was born, or right here in Britain, where he grew up.
The best way to describe him is a thoroughly dishonest individual who's been very cunning, very clever, and incredibly devious individual.
But it is not just dictators Di Stefano was drawn to. He defended Harold Shipman, a British doctor who killed hundreds of his own patients.
Dr. Shipman had professed his innocence from day one. He has never, ever accepted his guilt. Not just a question of psychologically accepted. He never accepted that he murdered anybody.
And Patricia Walsh-Smith. She was conned out of £5,000, about $7,500, when Di Stefano told her she could get a better divorce settlement.
He knew that I was drowning and he pushed me right under. And he said, why don't you commit suicide and leave a note saying my life's been a comedy of errors. And he said that, 4 times.
The judge called him a man of breathtaking cynicism. But it's not just his victims left embarrassed by Giovanni Di Stefano. It's the entire legal system as well. For Out Front, Atika Shubert, London.